Okay, today we're making mushroom bacon. I didn't always used to like mushrooms because I think I never had them cooked very well, but recently I've been obsessed with them. I've been cutting back on meat, so these little babies here have been a really great substitute to help me feel satiated and have that like savory, meaty texture and flavor in my dishes. So today I'm going to teach you how to make mushroom bacon. Doesn't taste like bacon. No. You know what I'm getting. So I have here a lot of mushrooms. You want to get quite a few because what's going to happen is they're going to cook down. And kind of like spinach, you think you have a ton, and then after you're done, it's like, where the hell did all the spinach go? But I'm cutting that in about, I don't know, what you call this, like a 1/4 inch. Everything is chopped up. This is probably going to need 2 pans because we don't want them to overlap, but I'm just going to season everything together. And also another thing to note is when you're chopping, you want to make sure that you're getting everything pretty similar in size so that they all cook pretty evenly. Here are soy sauce, or you can use liquid aminos. This is actually the key to this recipe. It just intensifies that umami flavor. Black pepper, I love a ton of black pepper. A little bit of heat too, so I have some red chili flakes. I have some smoked paprika, which is optional. And I have some salt, which we're going to use sparingly because the soy sauce is already pretty salty. And then I have some nutritional yeast, which adds great flavor. Also optional. Now there's no measurements for this recipe. It's all on taste. So actually what I would recommend is that you take a piece, see if I can find a small piece, and just taste it. See what you're working with. Just gonna sprinkle some soy sauce all over. I don't want it to be like too saucy, but I just want to make sure that every single piece gets coated with the soy sauce. Add some red pepper flakes for heat. You can skip this step, but I like a little heat in my dishes. Okay, I'm gonna add some smoked paprika. And I'm going to add a tiny bit of salt. Like I said, I love black peppers. This is gonna be a lot of it. And then sprinkle a little bit of this nutritional yeast on. Again, just so that everything is nice and coated. And then lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I am using coconut oil. You can use olive oil, grapeseed oil, whatever you have. Don't add too much, you can always add more. And I'm just going to mix that all together. Just make sure everything is really well incorporated. Mix. And after you're done mixing, you want to make sure that you taste at this point to see if you need to add anything. Okay, this needs more heat. I'm not tasting it at all. So I'm going to add a little bit more red pepper flakes. I also could use a little salt. I'm going to add a little bit as well. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can broil them on low until all the liquid is rendered from the mushrooms, and then hit them with some high heat on high broil until they are your desired crispiness. or you can do the low and slow way, which is anywhere between 325 to 400 until they are nice and crispy. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the oven. I know it appears as if it's burnt, but it is not. They just get really dark in color as they roast in the oven. And as you can see, they cook down a lot. So that's why I always make at least 2 pans when I make the mushroom bake. Let's give it a taste, shall we? So delicious. And the possibilities are endless. You can use them anywhere you would use bacon. You can cook them a little bit longer and make them super crispy and use them as bacon bits. You can put them in sandwiches, pasta. I made this really delicious mushroom scampi-esque type of dish the other day. Okay.